fall out to sea. After Christmas we giant trees, dancing bright lights, Yuletide poles. Celebrate Christmas at SMOs. Let's bring our needs and come to buy our gifts. Come to buy our here at SMOs. Christmas can be better than this. To have this motivate all for you and for me. Joy for season one and all. Celebrate Christmas at SMOs. Celebrate Christmas at SMOs. On and on. Bring your families here. Come on and on. It's that time of year. To have this motivate all for you and for me. Joy for season one and all. Celebrate Christmas at SMOs. Go! Celebrate Christmas at SMOs. Celebrate Christmas at SMOs.
Pinapost lang kita ng doon para mas dumami pa yung picture, yung photo ang moment sa atin. Okay? Kanina pa kayo sumasayaw, kanina pa kayo kumakanta. Ngayon naman, okay lang ba kung makipag-games tayo with Anchor? Teka, sino bang pinaka-competitive dito sa Horizon? Sino singin nyo? Sino? Ay,
ano lagi si Kyler? Si Kyler lagi na naman.
Kyler ba? Competitive ka ba, Kyler?
Yes.
Ay, okay. Dahil dyan, Kyler, pumunta ka muna dito sa akin, okay? Magbubuo tayo ng grupo. Ikaw ang first member ng Team 1. So we'll have Kyler. We'll also call Jerome. Please join me on this side. Okay. And then, why not go ahead and call him as well? Yeah! Team 1! Malakas ba? Tingin nyo?
Magagaling. Walang makatalo. Lugi kami. Wala kami lagi nanalo.
Dito tayo sa Team 2. So 4, 3, pero parang kulang, no? Parang kulang. I think you guys are gonna need additional members. Okay lang ba na sumali nyo? Okay, sige. Team 1, let's read your lucky anchors that will be joining you.
Okay, sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, Erica Magbayo! We're going to play some Christmas games!
Come on, Erica, come up and join us.
Congratulations! Erica! Let's go! Erica! Erica! Come on!
Alright, syempre kailangan din natin buuin yung team mo. So, let's get you guys to read your member.
AJ Bobadilla! AJ Bobadilla!
Nakita mo siya! Asan na si AJ?
Akit po kayo dito!
Akyat, please!
Wait! AJ! Ang anchors hindi mahihain. Guys, wait. We need, Ate Erica ba tayo? Si Erica pa.
Asan na si Erica? Banyo?
Ayun, si Ate Erica.
Wala munang pabanyo. No bathroom breaks.
Yeah, Erica and AJ, please come up on stage.
Okay, perfect.
Ate, pataas po ng kamay niyo.
Why don't we read the next name?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alisa Marie Basones. Bason? With Bason.
Nabasa niyo ba, Alisa?
Alisa Marie Basones.
Alisa Marie Bascones. Kung hindi nila mabasa yung handwriting, ligwak. Hindi, joke lang.
Okay, medyo mahirap yung next. This is Rakma Peña Serrada Diumuco.
Are you ready for your next anchor member? Here we go.
Hey. Zero. Okay. Ikaw na yung last dito. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Jumping in Bourbon. Where are you? Yeah.
Ala, umuwi daw. Umuwi daw.
Ano yan?
Sinong pinaka-energetic? Yung Nick can show me a girl, it's your malaki. What? What? Now go! What?
One more!
Parang mahihirapan kayo Teka. So we need one more. We need another one to replace.
Okay, we're gonna pick
Oy.
yung pinaka-energetic talaga. Can show me a girl, it's your malaki.
Oh my God!
What? Yung tumatalon! Let's go! Yung tumatalon! Nakapataas! Taas! Nakapataas! Talon! Talon! Sino? Go!
Sino?
Si Marcos Pilet. Marcos Pilet, pinaka-energetic.
Teka. Dapat kayo yung pumipili. Team nyo di ba? Kayo yung kulang, di ba? Saka kayo, kompleto na ba kayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Parang kulang tayo. Nag-split na ba kayo?
Hindi nakakuling.
Sino ito mga pinipili?
Sino ba gusto? Sino?
Sabi ni Kaya Kyler, si Ate ito na nakakulay green. Asa? Green? Turbo. Green? ODG? Wala siya nag-google. Wala si Ate ba? Hello?
Meron pa. May names pa tayo. Ready? So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more member here. And then 1, 2, ilan na kayo dyan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more member. Take isa. Kulang pa. Okay, let's go.
Okay, please read it.
Angel Lynn Machado. Angel Lynn.
Umuwi din? Umuwi din. Bakit tayo
Itong isa.
Ito. We have another name here. Asa na si Cecil Sarge. Cecil!
We are completed.
Complete na po ang Team 1. Tama? 7 members?
Yeah.
The golden number, yes. Team 2. Kamusta naman kayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kulang pa. May chance.
Sino may gusto?
Okay, ito na. Sige. Dapat silang magpasa. Team nila Okay. Sige. Kompleto na kayo. Dito na tayo. Kayo na magpasa. Okay, eto na.
This is Jenna
Nunez.
Kuya kami, Jenna Nunez. Jenna. Sino po si Jenna?
Ayun, nandito.
Jenna, nandito ba?
Jenna.
Ano po?
Oh, Jenna is me.
Ano ba nga
Yan.
Okay, tama ba? Medyo mahina si Kuya Show sa math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more dito. Wala ba si Jenna?
Wala pa.
Wala. Nag-shopping muna si Miss Jenna. Okay. Sabay-sabay. In 3, 2, 1.
Joanna Marie M. Dimaano.
Joanna! Nandito
Joanna!
ba si Joanna?
Ayun.
Asan na siya? Bye! Oh! Kinakunaw niya.
Ayan.
Perfect! Okay! Complete na yata tayo. Asan na si Joanna? Joanna, come up. Join Team 2. Team 2.
Let's win this.
Team 1. Ayan. Okay, guys, sa tingin nyo, sino ang mananalo? Who thinks?
Let's go!
Guys, galingan nyo ha.
Let's go.
Galingan nyo. Okay, okay. Very, very simple lang naman ang game natin. Isang line lang po, okay? When I say arrange yourselves in the order of blank, I will say 3, 2, 1, go! Kung na-arrange nyo ng sarili nyo in that order, sabay-sabay kayo sumigaw ng Horizon! And we will check kung tama ang arrangement nyo. Klaro po? Yes? Yes? Kailangan ko pa bang i-explain in Korean? Di na. Okay, perfect! Handa na po ba kayo? Team 1, Team 2. Here we go. Arrange yourselves. First, alphabetically based on your first name. Go! Go!
W!
Let's go! Go! Come on, guys. It's your first name, alphabetically based on your...
Okay!
Alright. Let's check. You guys have to help. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Alyssa. A.
A. Okay, what is your name? Bawal magbago ng pangalan,
Yes,
ha?
yes.
Okay, go.
Cecil.
Cecil, Alyssa, Cecil, and... Ari. Okay, A-C-E.
Jovelyn.
Shove A-C-E. and... Team 2, hello. Sana mas magaling kayo. What is your name? AJ. What is your name?
Gabrielle!
Gabrielle. Ay, nag-skip na tayo, nag-jump na tayo. And your name is?
JM.
Joanne. Okay. And then we have?
Marcus.
Marcos. Tama ba so far?
Yeah!
Okay. And then we have? Rama. Love your name. And then?
Racer.
Racer. R-A. Oh, tama. Hey, galing. And of course, Winston!
Merry Christmas!
Tyler, akala ko competitive ka. Pare.
Nahimik.
Inalas ko ngayon eh.
Okay. Okay lang. Kaya pa natin bumawi. First round pa lang yun. Okay, next round. 1 point Team 2, 0 for Team 1. Arrange yourselves in. Marcos, wait for my countdown. Kanina, masyado kong excited. Arrange yourselves in order of your height, smallest to tallest. 3, 2, 1, go!
Horizon! Wala na, kami na nauna! Hindi na kailangan!
Magtanggal kayo ng sapatos. Yeah, Joe. Okay. What's your height?
5'7" and a half.
Girl, ano height mo?
10 siguro.
4'9". Parang hindi. Parang 5'10 ka. Okay, next we have. 4'11". Next.
5'4" and a half.
5'5" pa talaga. 5'4" and a half and 5'5". Okay, wala naman naka-heels. Okay. Now we have
5'6".
gusto ko yung tinanong niya pa. Ano yung height
Gawin
mo?
ko sana 5'7" eh. Kasi nakakaya naman.
Oo.
5'6" na lang.
5'6" without the shoes. Okay.
Balik kita mo doon ka sa dulo!
5'7".
5'7".
Ikaw? 5'9". Tama? Okay! Team 1! 1 point!
Let's go! Bakit yung formation?
In fairness, very competitive talaga ang teams natin. Next, arrange yourselves. This is gonna be interesting. Based on your birthday. 3, 2, 1, go! Birthday. Birthday. Happy birthday. Kailangan ko naman guys. Wait lang. Okay. Team 2. Hi, when is your birthday? January. Okay, January. Ano to? Month lang ba tayo?
Month
lang. Okay, month lang. And your birth month is?
February.
Feb. Uy. March.
February.
Ay, Feb din.
March baby!
March. August. Uy, quite a leap. Ikaw. Patingin ng lisensya.
EJ!
When? Birthday. Go. November. Weh, patingin nga ng ID.
Yes.
And you better be in December, baby.
December 13.
Yeah! Happy birthday!
Saya, which means another point for Team 2! So 2 points and 1. Okay. 2 more, you guys. Dalawa na lang. Narinig nyo ba yun? Team 1?
Yes po.
Dalawa na lang. Galingan po natin. Dalawa na. Okay. Arrange yourselves in order. Oh, this is something I would want to join too. Based on the number of pets you have at home. Go! Pets. Pets. Come on. Zero. Release. Come on. Cheer it up.
Dito! Diba? Babayaran ko lahat
Sure kayo? One. Okay. Sige, team 1. Okay, how many pets do you have?
We don't have pets at home, bawal sa bata.
Okay, so 0. Haba ng dog. Pwede mo naman sabihin 0. Okay, 0 din. Okay. 1. What do you have? Dog. Okay. Tyler? 1. 1 din. Also a dog? Yeah. Okay. How many do you have? You have 5! 5 cats. 8. Totoo ha? Pati rin ang pictures.
4 na aso, tapos yung the rest, puro pusa.
4 na aso at
Pusa na yung iba.
pusa. Ilan?
8.
8 in total. Grabe. Zoo pa yung bahay mo?
Opo, kulang na lang sa amin sa bahay, giraffe na lang talaga. Giraffe na lang yung kulang sa amin.
Wait, ilan in total?
3 aso at saka 17 na pusa.
17! Okay, woo! You guys get the point! Teka, ano nangyari? So, 2 points and 2 points. Kailangan natin ng tiebreaker. Sige, bilisan na natin. Ito na yung tiebreaker natin. Uy! You guys want a challenge? Yeah. You guys want a challenge? We're gonna make this really hard. Arrange yourselves in order. Listen to the instructions, in order of the number of letters in your last name from shortest to longest. Go! The number of letters in your last name. So not the alphabet, but the...
Nauna sila ate, walang mic! Walang mic!
Nakikinig daw sa director magalit kayo sa kanya mamaya. Okay, team 2 daw. Okay. Ilang letters ba sa last name mo? 4. Bakit ikaw nagsasabi?
Baka hindi niya po maintindihan.
Oo nga pala. How many letters do you have in your last name? 4. Okay, 4.
Last name?
6? Are you sure? You're not adding extra G or something? Okay, Marcos?
Also 6.
Also 6. Okay.
Also 6.
6 then! Oh. What's your last name? Dimaano. Parang mahaba ka. D-I-M-A-N-O.
Halo, mali.
7? Ikaw?
Malizon, 7.
M-A-L-I-Z-O-N.
Wait, hindi pa tapos ang laban.
Una.
Ito may acting to eh. May pa-acting pa si Kuya eh. Ano ang apelido mo?
Odavillo,
Ano? Bobadilla. B-O-B-A-D-I-L-L-A. Palakpakan naman dyan for Team 2. But of course, you guys did a great job. Syempre may prizes din tayo. So congratulations. We'll be giving you your prizes later on. A big thank you to the boys as well. Can we give them another big round of applause? Yes. Don't worry, guys. bawi tayo sa next game. Bawi tayo. Sige, magkita muna tayo. Thank you guys. We're gonna give the boys a little bit of a break. We're gonna give the contestants a bit of a break. Parang ako rin kailangan ko ng break. Grabe, ang intense pala ng competition dito pagkasamang anchors. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you to our competitors. But that was only our first game. That was only our... Thank you, boys. Give them another big round of applause. We're gonna get the participating. Ayan, bawi na lang kayo mamaya. Sina Kyler, bawi kayo mamaya. May isa pang game. Can we give them another big round of applause, everybody? Yes. All right, boys. You can step off the stage muna as we get ready for another special performance from you guys. But for now, let me remind all of our anchors that we have
Parang gift
another
certificate
game later. Pero ang tanong, kaya pa ba?